Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the upper control arm. It's got a new ball joint in it. It's got a plastic cover on there protecting it. Also, the new control arm assembly comes with new upper bushings pressed into it. First thing we're going to do is get the old one removed, and we're going to remove the nut right there with the cotter pin, and that's an 18mm. Alright guys, once you remove the nut right there holding the upper control arm to the spindle assembly, then right here inside the shock tower there's two bolts, one on the inside right here by the firewall and one on the other side of the shock tower. They're 14mm. You get those undone and we can pull the arm out. I'm sorry, the control arm. Alright guys, once you get the bolts removed out of that shock tower assembly, see if I can show you that bolt right down in there. Once you get those bolts removed in the shock tower assembly, now you can pull the control arm out. Now you just reach right up in there, pull the old one out. As you can see here, it's actually pretty rusty. The knuckles. Good thing we went ahead and replaced it.
Good girl.
Alright guys, before we put the new control arm in the shock tower assembly, we're going to take and we're going to put anti-seize inside those bushings. Alright guys, now we got anti-seize inside the bushing sleeves there, just to help keep it lubricated so it pivots easy, you know, so the bolts don't get all rusted inside those sleeves and bind up like, as we can see, this one was trying to do. See how that rust inside there? You know, that'll, you know, cause your suspension to have problems and cause other parts of your suspension to wear out prematurely. So now we're going to get that reinstalled. Alright guys, we got that control arm installed. We're not going to install it on the spindle just at the moment, because we're going to take and once we remove that plastic safety cup covering the bushing, but we're actually going to replace the bushings on this spindle assembly that's pressed in there. So we're going to get that all torn apart. We're going to do a brake job on it and everything else. But so yeah, we'll get that top of the spindle reconnected to the control arm after we get all this other replaced. So yeah, hopefully y'all find this video useful on how to replace the driver. Like I said, this is the driver's side on a Honda Civic. If y'all find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, please do so. Please leave some comments down below, and y'all subscribe to the channel. Hit that share button. Y'all have a great day.